welcome to Las Vegas.
Vegas, baby.
Vegas, baby! Well, right now we're on the WAX bus, which stands for West... What? You just told me what WAX stood for. Something Express. West...
Maybe it's Westgate Area Express.
That sounds good to me. So we're on that. It's only $2 as opposed to $35 for a cab, not counting tips. So, and there's the first stop is the Tropicana, which we're getting off at. So we will see you guys soon. All right, we've arrived at the MGM Signature Towers. It's somewhere over here. We'll find it because there's a sign right there. So follow us. Go ahead, ready? Go, ready?
Okay, it's 9:45 in the morning and we already have our Jello shot.
Now your turn. You drink yours. Watch. Flip the screen. Look like you're really drinking. Watch. Like, look. Now you do it. Oh no, but it's gonna be close to the camera. So it looks like you got a ginormous one. There you go.
That's really clever.
Hey, Lean. Where are we going to now?
We're going to a lazy river at the MGM Grand.
All right. So I don't know if this stupid thing's gonna work because we haven't used it since I think Canada. But we're off to the lazy river. Bye. Survived it. I'm gonna go in. Ready? You got it? I'm gonna go into the hard part. Okay. Okay.
At Meadows Caesar's Palace Station.
Now? Now?
Now.
Do we go now?
Right now.
Should we start now?
Yes.
You mean I should start hiking now?
Now would be good.
Well, should I start now?
Maybe now, yeah.
Hey everybody,
This monorail continues southbound. Next stop, Bally's in Paris Las Vegas Station.
Okay, that's not our stop, but we got 2 more stops, but we're going back to the hotel so Link can slip into some evening attire.
And Frank can get rid of this really large bag he's dragging around.
Somewhere over here. It's an H&M bag because we did a little bit of shopping and then we didn't quite think it through and then we really can't go dancing with the shopping bag.
The doors are closing.
Can you?
Please
Probably
stand
dances better than I do. Full memory full? What's it say?
Battery.
Oh man.
Please.
Okay, Lee, we're on video. Where the heck are we?
Okay, so we're on the high roller, and it's at the Lake Hotel, and it takes like, I think we said like half an hour to make a complete circle. It's really fast, so don't be scared. And we did not get the one at the bar, but the one in front of us actually has a bar. So it's kind of cool, but we have the whole pod to ourselves, and it's pretty big.
Let's see, here's our pod. That's where we just took off from, right?
Yeah.
And we didn't really plan on getting a pod to ourselves, but this is great.
Yes. And it's air conditioned.
Oh, that's good. Pretty soon, you know, on the B-roll we'll be seeing Las Vegas, but I'll come over here. I have no statistics on it. It might be as big as the one in London, I don't know. It's a lot cooler than the one in London. And I'm going to do a little panorama, you'll follow me on it. We've got our screens up here that tell us everything about the pod. Loving the pod, by the way. There's nothing this way. And if we come over here, that's the Venetian. We're going to the Venetian next. We're going to go back to a place of our glory days when we used to come to Las Vegas every year for my birthday. We'd go to the Venetian, we'd go to, what's the name of that restaurant? Cataletto, whatever. So hopefully it's still there. everybody, it's Franklin. Leaving Las Vegas. We're done. We're through. We got what, $10 in our bucket?
Yeah.
But we just came back from the Hakkasan's where I confronted my arch nemesis. How do you say his name?
Tiesto.
That bastard. He tried not to let us in, but I won.
We stayed up really late. It's 12:30.
Is that what time it is? Really? 12:30?
Yeah.
But
We're going back to everyone else is just now leaving.
Yeah, everybody's starting to go out. But we did the right thing. We went to like the local 7-Eleven, which is an ABC store here.
Oh, yeah.
So we got a few things, and we're leaving tomorrow. I don't want to end it on this because this is pretty, like, whatever. And we're on a walking what are we walking? Staircase? Wait, walking sidewalk. Yeah.
Moving sidewalk.
Moving sidewalk. But we had a ball. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back to my room without falling down, but we'll see. And there goes Eileen. Okay, we're back. We're going to a walking sidewalk.
Moving sidewalk. Not a walking staircase.
I'm having a hard time. I'm having a hard time with the words here, but English is my second language, you know. First language being Swahili. Yeah, look at there, the goddess. There we go. Yeah, she got us into Hakkasan's because apparently something went wrong and we weren't on the guest list, but they looked at her and we got in.
Yes. And I was told I was not supposed to have a leather jacket.
Yeah.
And I said, what knows?
But she did anyways, so nobody could say anything bad about that. So, where was I when I was saying goodbye to everybody?
You said goodbye.
Okay, that's the end. Go home, everybody. We're done. Bye. Say bye. Kiss. Bye.